name is Chantel Mangete. I welcome you to Imbeleko. Today we'll be talking about relationships and gender-based violence. I have a guest here who's going to tell us more on gender-based violence and relationships. You may introduce yourself.
Sanibonani kubabukele ekhaya. Igama lami nguZinhle Ncube. Today sizokhuluma ngezithandani.
So what do you have to say ngesithandani? Kala ukuthi abantu beze begcine sebebonke sebeku relationship like sebethandana mpela. What do you have to say about ngesithandani?
Engakusho ngathi kuyaqala kancane nje abantu besa like kusashelwa khwabayana umuntu abelokhe ekuncenga nawe ukuphathela ungama gift inyani izimbali uze uye nawe cine sugaqele suthandana naye.
Kusashela ukushela kumnandi.
Yeah, kumnandi ukushela vele obvious.
Okay, so I would like to ask you with like uthini about angithi yabona abantu mabeku relationship. There are some people abathandana to the stage ukuthi bagcine beshadana.
Yeah.
Even like 3 months later, thola umuntu sebeshada or abanye bashada after 10 years. Then abanye in like 2-3 months abantu bayashintsha. Ngoba mayisakushela laphana nice. Then in 3 months sekashintsha. Do you agree with that?
Yeah. Na ukuthi ligcine selishada ngombono wami ngicabanga ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi umuntu mase lithandane for isikhathi nyana ukuze umfundi ubone ukuthi umuntu onjani ungasheshi nje ugijimela ukuthi uyochata ungamazanga ukuthi umuntu onjani.
Okay, so you're saying kubalulekile ukuthi umuntu uqale umfundi.
Yeah, before yongena emshadweni. Yeah.
Okay, my question is, how do you know ukuthi like this guy is the right guy for me? Was like, how do you see, this is the perfect guy that I want to marry?
Engakusho ya umuntu uyambona ukuthi mawumbona ukuthi umuntu lona ya umuntu engashada naye ziningi into ezingabonakala ngakho ukuthi umuntu onjani ngakho abusive uleke njalo.
But some people can pretend.
Yeah. Kodwa angisazi ke lapho ukupretendeni kodwa la uyabubona nje ukuthi lo muntu engabe ngumuntu right ozomphatha kahle singaba ne future uyabona uyabheka nje ukuthi umuntu onjani.
Okay, so like umbuzo umbona kanjani? Because abanye abantu they are always nice. They are khona ukuba nice for fucking 3 years. But then seshintsha.
Kahle isikhathi esiningi vele uyahamba uyochata lo muntu ongakuthandi sometime ebe right isikhathi sonke ebese yajike ekugcineni. Abanye nje vele awungeke uzumbone ukuthi lo muntu ungale ndlela yabo.
Okay, then uthini ngalaba like uthi let's live a relationship after a while saqala ukushaya.
Mina ngombono wami mase uqala ukushaya nje kungcono uvela usheshe uphume kuleyo nto before kuyefika esigabeni sokuthi lize liyabulalana and stuff yabo. Kungcono ukuthi mawaqala wakushaya kokuqala is either uyayekela leyo nto vele kuphele kanjalo. Because ukuthi uqhubeke ngaleyo nto ubona ukuthi ekugcineni kufika la ukutheni ligcine selibulalana.
But what if umuntu uyacorrect?
No, awukwazi ukucorrect umuntu ngokumshaya. Awukwazi. No.
Okay, let's say umntwana wesikole nje. Umntwana omncane mfana. Akafundi esikole. Uyamshaya ukuthi khona hamba esikole. Umshayela depends ukutshela. Akukho umshaya for no reason.
No, before umshaya umuntu uyaqala ukhulume naye ubone ukuthi lento ngomlomo ayilungiseki yini. Uyofika ekutheni uyamshaya ke. But vele ukuthi lize liyoshayana isikhathi esiloku shayana stand up sokuloku bulalana phakathi.
But before you end the relationship, I'll like first find out with the reason why you share, because some people mayikushaya laphana it's not because like uyazenza abanye abantu lapha bakhulela khona. Thola ukuthi maybe the guy uthe ekhula ubabakhe ubeshaya umama. So naye sebona ngazathi nxa umuntu oyindoda ukuthi azafili like kumele la ebeshaya umfazi wakhe. don't you think you should maybe first find out i-background yakhe? That is why it's important ukuthi before shada nomuntu or even usiba ku-relationship yakhe qala ukuthandana, check i-background.
Yeah, kubalulekile khona ukuthi uqale ubheke emuva because so ngenzeka ukuthi yena la wafunda khona ukuthi into enje ilungiswa ngokushaya kukanti bekurong khona khona. Ungaqala lilungise ngokukhuluma ukuthi sokwedluleke but mina ngivumelani lokuthi uzumshaye vele.
Yes, ukushaya khona umuntu ongumfazi it's wrong. I understand.
Yeah.
It's not a good thing, but that's why I'm saying ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi omunye umuntu especially abekhule ebona ubaba ephatha kanjani umuntu ongumfazi doesn't uyamdingela usizo. Thatha umhambise for counseling because counseling yamsiza to be a better person. So yes, mshiye uhambe if you feel like no lo muntu sengishaye kakhulu angisamthandi. Ungamshiya but before mshiya also like as a human being ungamsiza ngokumhambisa for counseling.
Lese ngimhambise ku counseling akatshintsha aphinda beqhubeka kumele ngenzeni? Awubona kungcono ukuthi yila kumele ngiphume khona.
Yeah, kuna sometimes with the first red flag mele wenzeni uvela uphume.
Yeah, ngoba lapha na sengivikela impilo yami phela sengihambisile ku counseling akatshintsha uyaqhubeka uyangishaya the next step wenzani uyangibulala.
But i-counseling lapha na umhambise angiphuma ukuthi umhambisele ukuthi ayishintshe ngumuntu onjani obethe.
If akatshintshanga ke
asungamshiya ke lapho maye ubona ukuthi no this person is too stubborn akashintshi.
Relationship sothu ne sethandana wona ngijolela mina ngijolela wona ngijolela ngihlathe phansi yomangazana no let us work yes says it and then we keep on going again so lapha mina ezinto tamanje ngiyathanda
no lapha abantu besifazana labo kukhona la abarongo khona because awukwazi ukuthi ujolela umuntu abe akukhuze uphinde ubuyaqhubeka yila ucina khona kungenelela into ezirong abantu abangamadoda abagcina bethatha ama decision arong ukuthi bababulala.
But kwesinye isikhathi umuntu kaphonda ukujola for no reason.
Yeah, so ungajola ne ulesizathu kodwa phela mawuthe umuntu wakho asesibona lesizathu wase ubona ukuthi uyajola khulumisanani liza ukuthi yini inkinga if kuyukuthi kumba akusupport kahle uzomtshela ukuthi hayi mina ngiyajola because of lento lalena yabo if naye akakhona ukuthi ayilungise phuma kuyo
sungaphuma.
Yeah, kodwa if yalungiseka selingakhona ukuthi lilungise naye alungisa amaphutha akho ukuze wena ungamjoleli.
But kwesinye isikhathi ukuthi ungabona ujolela umuntu uyabungamthanda because umuntu omthandayo angeke uzumjolele at the first place ngoba uthe usiba nawe uthe I love this person, how do you end up usumchithela ngoba lo muntu uyamthanda yini esikwenza umchithela? That is why before siba lo muntu qala umbheke ube sure before being involved with that person kuze kungabi siba lezinto like ozokucina usuyenza usiyachitha mawusazi ukuthi mayingakusupport which means this person was like this before you even went in.
No, ekuqaleni maybe esaqala lento wayekudinga phela ukuthi ube seduzane uzokusupporta kwenzele noma yini oyifunayo kodwa mase kuthethwa kubeka endlini engakhona ukutshintsha noma yini angasakwenzi leyo into ayekuthembise yona yila ucina usiya chitha ngaphandle.
Sometimes uzothi ubalekela inkinga leyo usithi no akanisupport uyethola inkinga yewesi.
Ayike mawusuthele inkinga yewesi kusho uzolungisa ke la lo ngoba uzabe usibona ukuthi ukuthi labantu bayafana yeah so kuzomela uhlale la lo ke umbonise lapha ubona ukuthi kuyalunga yena.
So at the first place makusiba nenkinga do you think it's good ukuthi umuntu avele asuke or qala ube nepatience?
No, akwenza awungeke uvele usuke uyabona uzobekezela ubona ukuthi lento mangizama ukuthi silungise iyalunga yini if ayilungi ila kumele usuke khona but makule uthembisa ukuthi iyalunga uyalungisa bese uyahlala. Yeah.
Okay, sometimes akusimfazi ujola indoda iyajola yini yenza ukuthi umuntu abe nawo agcine sokujolela iba kuphi inkinga yithi abafazini mamadoda sejola? Because sometimes men cheat because of talking too much. Kwesinye isikhathi amadoda afuna umuntu okhuluma kakhulu.
No, lento ingabili amadoda angakushiya ulungile uyingilosi uthule akuchiye endlini ayojola ngaphandle ulungile into leyo kabili.
Ikhona into mebhoni uyabungayenzi kahle.
No.
Kodwa amadoda vele noma ungazi uyenze kahle into enjani bona ukujola vele bayajola.
So find someone.
What if unamthandana nawo isithembu?
No, mawufuna isithembu lento uyayikhuluma. Mawufuna isithembu ngithi liyahlala phansi liyabonisana lo mamkhulu ukuthi yena uyasifuna yini isithembu noma cha. Phela awumani maya ngasifuni. Kwamele uhloniphe isinqumo sakhe akasifuni isithembu.
But mina ke thuthi bese kuphuma ejule ngakwazi. Leli kokuqala khona into zokufihla. That's why uqala khona.
No, kumele ulinde wena uzama ukuthi uzincengele kuze kufike la avuma khona. Awumani ngoba ungathi namhlanje ufuna uvuka ngithatha isithembu usitshela umuntu ukuthi mina ngifuna isithembu ufuna abafazi abayi2. Angeke avela avuma athi okay woza naye. Kuzoba nzima kodwa kuhlale la uzincengela uzaza kanjani. So ngiyenzeka agcine kuvumela ukuthi hayi sesingaba yi2. Ungamani nje.
Bengishiyela ngithatha umamncane mezima.
Awuthi yena iyeka ke lo ngafuneki uhlale la lo wamthathayo. Wavela wamchuza kwasekuqaleni.
So amadoda should press kumele ngephethina sibathi because not cheating. Makuthi somtshela umfazi wakho isithembu. So it's not cheating.
It's cheating.
Kanjani umfazi yazi khona kujona umtsheli wathi khona ufuna isithembu.
So ngenzeka wena vele umtshele eseqale iwena umtshela ngoba sekabamba amaphutha maybe sekabamba ifoni yakho wafica ukuthi hayi wena ulogelo nje liyakhuluma liyabonana yila usuqala ukuchaza khona kodwa uhlulekile uthi uvela uzikhulumele nini kwase uqaleni engazi wabona lutho ukuthi ukhuluma ukuthi hayi mina mama ngizofuna ukuthi ngudingele umamncane yabo kumele uqale wena before kubonakale lenyaka enye khona kumele uziqalele wena ukuzikhulumela kusase right lingaze lalwa nokudla yabo. So ngenzeka futhi naye avela avume mawusakhuluma kahle kungabi khona vele sekubambile.
But I think it's best ukuthi umuntu akutshele vele ekuqaleni before even go far ukuthi mina vele bengivele ngifisa isithembu. So wena uzoba umfazi wokuqala kodwa ngisazodinga umunye umfazi wesi2 angazi ukuthi uthi ngakho. Are you comfortable with me taking another 5 years later on? Because
nakho kubalulekile lo
ukuthi usuthethe ingane yabantu sihlalile endlini nahlala sivuka sisuthi ufuna isithembu uvele usifuna isithembu before umthatha but before umthatha qala ukhulume nawe uthi no mina vele ngifuna isithembu ngoba lo muntu kuzomlimaza kwinto kwakhona ukuthi manje sengihlelila uzocabanga ukuthi maybe nginamaphutha yini angipheki kahle yini angitreat kahle ngiyamdelela yethi yena thola ukuthi ugood. Yes, on the other side ubuye futhi uthi uzocontinue yana usithi isithembu asikho right but kungani uvume kayi1 indoda yakho ibe nomunye umfazi knowing ukuthi mayengekho kimi ukustay because once umvalele kasahambi kwesikhatheni umuntu nowami sezobatshintsha bebe baningi ngoba uyamvalela but if you allow your man to have another wife umuntu vele lo muntu no matter what ufuna umfazi omunye rather allow it abe nomunye umfazi at least you be know ukuthi vele mangekho nami unalo because usuyalile lapha usumforce ukuthi haye ngaphandle and umuntu lona angaphandle naye angeke aze jole naye yedwa engabi nenye boyfriend uzoba nenye boyfriend loba enayo and that person you don't know ukuthi enjalo ejola nendoda yakho ujona nobani eceleni thola ukuthi usijola nabantu abaningi including le ndoda yakho but yena yabengakwazi cabanga ukuthi you know this person ufuna abe umfazi wesi2 but umama uyana that girl might be sick. So also naku allow indoda yakho ukuthi thatha umfazi wesi2 uzivikela nawe from a lot of things ngoba mayisuka kustela ngaphandle uza ku sengakuphathela umkhuhlane not because yena is changing abafazi phandle but that Stella is changing men.
Vele yena mayidala ukuthi uzobatshintsha uzolichiya lo bayi2 futhi ayelando wesi3 limbuze sesithi sengifuna umamncane wesi3 bayi2 lizoyenza njani.
Omunye is not like uzobe vele ekhulumile ukuthi no that's why kumele ekhulume nawe ukuthi no mina ngifuna abafazi abangaki abangifo. So kusina decision yakho ukuthi uyahlala noma uyahamba but my vele nifuna 3 ufuna 3
okunye
ngoba ilifestyle yomdala iphela into kumele yazi because lifestyle no Stella exchange Stella no boyfriend i-boyfriend inabisa mina i-girlfriend lifestyle yomdala iphela and the lento umuntu lokuya nomkhuhlane uzala abantwana bazozala bekhuliswa bengela abazali. What do you say about abantwana abazokhula bengela abazali? Do you know effects of umntwana ekhulile namzali?
I know that one very well.
Yini enzakalayo kwenzakala ukuthi umntwana akhule damaged one or else akhule ne-anger. That's when it gets ukuthi abantwana besabethene bekulala ama-girlfriend because ne-anger ukuthi ubaba akangifisanga bayisuka kulomuzi ngoba umjolo udala abantwana ayikho into amjola kade isayithi uzalela abantwana abazala bengela khaya.
Okay, so isikhathi ungathola ukuthi indoda yakho inomntwana ngaphandle rather take out that child umgcini. Yes, akukho easy ukugcina umntwana onjani ongasiwakho. But lo muntu lana uyakhula. At the end of the day omunye uzoba nama anger issues selide ukuthi egcine attack wena. But kwesinye isikhathi ungamthatha umgcine umkhulise ngendlela yakho. Uzobe ungavimbi ukuthi umama uyezobona. You can allow the mother to come and see the child. That's not wrong. Ngoba nakho it's not the child's fault ukuthi umama wakhe uzalene nendoda yakho. The child shouldn't suffer for amacala abantu abadala. Akayenzanga lutho, he or she doesn't know. So rather take the child umgcine. Ngoba vele at the first place before umthatha suka sindoda yami level yajola. So kumele uvele ufake ekhanda ukuthi indoda yami yajola kusasa kuyabuya umntaka kaSera kusasa kuyabuya umntaka ka. But ungabhema abantwana laba. When you want to this thing you cannot carry it, you cannot shoulder it. Phuma emshadweni kungena umuntu ozokhona. Ngoba vele emshadweni akho akukho easy. Kwesinye isikhathi amadoda abo ngokujola. Nathi kwesinye isikhathi ufazi ungathi mawusufikile usushada usuhleze endlini. Ubuvele maybe lese uchaza usenzani. Suqala ukuntshintsha sungamaduku namaqhiye. Ungathinji mawusushadile. You need to be more exciting because kunabafazi phandle lapha. We're trying to entertain your man. So nawe endlini ungarelax ngoba lo muntu uyaphuma. Also mele uchaze.
Kwesinye isikhathi
ukuthi ningaphuma izothi no mele ngibuyele endlini. Umfazi wami lapha ungagcina ukuthi umuntu maye phandle athi yo nje kunalwa mele afune ukubuya endlini. That is your duty as umfazi ukuthi make sure ukuthi indoda yakho yafuna ukubuya endlini.
Endabeni yokuchaza ke leyo kwesinye isikhathi amadoda wona la kumele siwachaze. Uyakutshela ukuthi mina wami umfazi uyafasa iduku ugqoka into ezinde aphuma ngaphandle efuna abagqoka into ezincane abafaka ama-weave. Amadoda vele awazazi angeke eze eneliseke. So sengisho ukuthi sengathi manje mina endlini ngizomchaza. Namhlanje hayi ngizogqoka into ezithandwa ngubhebe. Ubhebe abuye lapha athi angifuni lokhu nokugqokileyo khipha lokhu ugqoke lokho aphume ngaphandle ethanda khokuyana lokungalela amadoda vele awazazi. So ukuthi sithi senza ngoba sizochaza bona ngeke bafa bachaze kanje.
Mina personally I think it's in their nature to have polygamous relationships because one implements in the crisis ratio between female and male. We have more females than men. So that alone should tell you guys eventually we have to share one male because we have fewer men than women. Maybe you have to be very good time, that's the nature. No one is controlling that. In that, that's how it is, you know. And then that leads to people having one man and so many wives because of the imbalance in nature. Now I can't really put in nature. It's in a man instinct. I'm sorry to say this, but it's true. It's in a man instinct to look at Sananda, to look at Sinclair, to look at that. How about this last time? Red or good, green or yellow. It's a man's nature. If you look at history, African history, if you look at even the Bible, African history as well, there's a lot of African kings that were very powerful artists. But we never or not, guys, it's coming. It's the thing. We'll see the impacts. What does that tell us?
Okay, lana uwe wathi naseBhayibhelini. But the first person ababadalayo with God, it was a man and a woman. There was one man and one woman. Not two men, like not two women and one man. But we one. Yes, polygamy ikhona because thina abafazi sibaleke. But it doesn't mean ukuthi vele somele uzitshela ukuthi no because it's in a man's instinct ukuthi abe nabantu abaningi. Liyana ichoice yakho. Sengajola phandle but it's still a choice because not everyone wants to be esendlini. Akula muntu ofuna ukushiya indoda yakhe. Ngoba lawo futhi amadoda akhona ahambe siyajola ngaphandle. Wena wamjolela khona phandle akafuni.
Uyakubulala.
Uthi nibanenge emhlabeni. And another man can still come to you.
Remember also, the Bible is not ours.
Yeah.
Also keep that in mind. The Bible is not ours. So everything that was practiced by Africans, the Bible came and demolished everything that was practiced by us. So there's a chance you would see, well, I mean, second example, for example, I'm just saying to look at nature. let's use the Bible because the Bible was handwritten. And even worse, we are black people. The Bible is not ours. We are not even supposed to follow what the Bible is saying. Look at nature.
So you're saying the Bible is not for the black people?
Yes.
Why?
So because it's not for the black people.
So in other ways, Pelama City Bible is not for the black people. The Bible is for me in my own way because I'm a Christian. It's for everybody because I need to know uNkulunkulu focus on white people and even the black people. Ngoba sonke sidala umuntu one. iBible lithe libhala ubelibhalela wonke umuntu. Because now abantu elisithi ngama ancestors, culture what badalwa ngumuntu one. There's only one God.
You say it ukuthi abafazi they must accept indoda mayithi yazala ngaphandle alethe umntwana. You know what happens to umntwana. Sengamthanda umntwana omfazi ukuthi endlini yami. Mina nomntwana ngithi nomalume. Umalume lo uthola ukuthi ambheke lo mntwana njengokuthi asumntwana kasisi wami. And that kid iyamkhulula ekhaya lomntwana. I-rape manje akunakuthi ngumfana noma intombazane. Umntwana uyareyishwa noma ngumfana noma intombazane. The fact ukuthi mina ngithethe umntwana la ngamgcina endlini yami sengangabi safe umntwana. While if abazali bebehlale bagcina abantwana bebonke umntwana lo ngeke azareje.
Kwesinye isikhathi ukhona ukurecha lo bengikho.
And besides also,
Umntwana esikhuluma ngaye manje ngikhuluma ngomntwana ozelwe mina. Angithi ukuthi indoda akayithathe akayihambe izala abantwana ngaphandle. And then mina njengomama wasendlini ngiyamukele labo bantwana. Do you know ukuthi abantwana basengaba in danger because of umalume or umzala obuye ezovakatsha kwami. Sebona umntwana just because akuthiwa like her esembheka ngelinye lihle. But if lo mntwana bezala umama nobaba essentially ngaba safe. I know ukuthi lo enzakala noma yini. But mina ngithi abantwana abazama ukuthi abantwana bekhuliseke. Umntwana ekhulele nobaba nomama. Umntwana udinga uthando lobaba nomama. Wena angeke uzunikeze umntwana uthando. Umama angathola kubani. Alifani. Sonke sidlala indima sifana nebhasikili. Lihamba ngamavili 2 ngaleso sikhathi. Kumele lihambe ngamavili 2. If ungakhipha any-one ayisabhalansanga. So according to mina ibalance ngizozala ngubaba nomama behleli kahle umntwana bebonke.
Okay, ngiyakuzwa ukuthi sithimilana ne. Lithi umntwana kumele akhuliswe ngumama nobaba. But there are some scenarios ukuthi uyathola ukuthi ubaba uzele ngaphandle, ne? Yes, umntwana kumele agcinwe ngumama nobaba, ne? But ubaba athola ukuthi akafuni umama wengane yakhe. Kodwa ufuna wena uzoyenzana. Will you leave your man for that woman? Let's say now unengane. Lwasiso ngaphandle layo lengane. What will you do? I need to umuntu ongumama. Umntwana kumele agcinwe ngumama nobaba wakhe. Let's say indoda yakhe ingumntwana ngaphandle. Kodwa akafuni lo mama wengane. Ufuna wena nawe ule mntwana.
Wena ungathi wena usemendweni.
Wena usemendweni kodwa indoda inomntwana ngaphandle. Angithi ukuthi umntwana kumele agciniswe ngumama wakhe nobaba wakhe. La ulengane usendlini. Lwana la ulengane ungaphandle. So indoda yenza
no, indoda kayisupport umntana wayo kumamayo. Lami sizosupport wami la leyo ndoda because vele umntana lo ngaze ngimthathe ngimgcina mina ngingu stepmother angeke kuze at the end of the day kuzothiwa maybe yamhlukumeza and stuff vela kusoze kube perfect ukuthi baba sizabe bekhuluma nje.
It's fine, I understand, but if I'm supporting umntana mehlezi nomuyima, that means I'm supporting that other family. If mama lo ene boyfriend yakhe that means support bonke abantu abanye. Than not to umntana mfowethu. So it's way more cheaper manje umntana mfowethu than to support umntana ngaphandle. Support my families.
Choosing is expensive. So you can say it's much cheaper for me to take my child from Jordan, but it's still is expensive.
Yeah.
So when it's cheaper if I take my child and then you share around.
No, I should have just come out with not like moving in Tata. Because they come out with what if no mama and food like that is a party. So in the community corner, ngenze njani thatha umntwana ngiphethe endlini or ngisupporteke ngalo mama
that's why even namanje uma ungaqhubeka na uwe first winto uzoyisho uzothi
mama lo angeke uze ukhale ngubaba
sithatha abafazi abayi-2 uzokusebenza nawe for kusasa.
Mina angiyithandi i-polygamy but at the same time i-good i-bad. I-good i-bad.
Ine-good o-bad.
Yeah. Like, yeah, i-good iphinde ibe bad.
Yazi ukucheat it's only if you are cheating with someone who doesn't know about that person. That is cheating. And that is way expensive. Because uchola naye uchita naye maningi amachazi ukune boyfriend sakho maningi umuntu amachazi ukuna yaphathe ukudla but mawuthatha ebeba umfazi wathi khona okay I'm making this person my wife uzobanzima ukuthi ukuna cheat like the first wife that is at home la uzobe sesenalento because my wife and my phone la wona you're not gonna answer ifoni yakhe because umfazi wakhe obviously she's gonna cheat obviously manje bengicela imali yenwele amazi uthi hayi ngicela ngikufazi wami ala obviously gonna cheat because you're not gonna give that person his cut but manje umthatha umfazi lo uthi kweli ngiyathatha ukwenza umalukazi I think that's fair for everyone. It's terrible. In our children, amadoda.
No, it's terrible.
As we now.
It's disrespectful. Because if uvumela isithembu uyakhetha nalabantwana abanje an opportunity to help ubaba wakho. Yes. So isithembu everyone benefits. We have broken homes today because sinamakhosikazi namakhaya who do not want to let their husband to take our second wife and want to live with life. We have in that so many broken children outside there. If mama jana, but here in the village.
Yeah. That you can call it.
Beware of the dog.
So as umfazi who is a second wife, now we're continuing. So as umfazi also we are not by a second wife. There is a huge role that you need to play. Umama lo to listen to. Akumela as umfazi mawuzofika feel disrespect into to listen. If you are a man who's going to come and disrespect your first wife, that means that woman is disrespecting you. So you can't accept umuntu njalo uzofika. That is where mind the mouth food text table. That is where you need to be aware of ukuthi kona umuntu uthatha ufile umuntu njalo. You can't just take anyone to a normal fast. Stand and start in number of file. That is completely wrong.
And do you know what used to happen back in the days? The wife would go out to look for the second wife.
I don't want that.
The wife would go.
It's not easy ukuthi uphume ngaphandle uhambe uyedingela indoda yakho mfazi like civil like asking
Another woman.
Like, can you please come and be my co-wife? No.
Yeah, it's called sister wife.
So umuntu omdingile yani unjani?
But akukho lula vele ukuthi kwenzakale kanjalo.
Isithembo yes vele indoda ezocheata but la mase sisendlini futhi sisesithenjeni lapha kuba ne-jealous as women. Abafazi kwesinye isikhathi baqala ukujelaselana. Kuba nomunye okwazi ukupheka kube nomunye ongakwazi ukupheka sekuqala ukulwa manje. Lana ungaziyo semakhasho ukuthi kulo okwazi ukupheka ukudla kwakhe kumosha by all means. But even though lisesithenjeni indoda will always have that one wife. Amazi know this one loba kuthena ngidlalile ngayo. Uloba umfazi osithiwe ngazanjani.
That's the first wife.
Sometimes
No, so ungaba ngu-second wife.
No, that's not like that. It's the first wife. Because you can't have this table without the first wife.
For me isithembo angihambisani naso. Sometimes kuyadala lenzonde ebantwaneni bakhula bengazwani nje vele.
that is a man's role manje to make sure ukuthi imuli yakho ayihlanganisa uqoqe.
sometimes ugcine sokuloywana kungena into eziningi nje. So
if mina ngingalo
so wena ma uloya kusho kwamele ubaloya ukuthi babambane ube ngumuzi wakho bonke ke.
Anyobaloya bafasi. You just talk to them nicely. Okay.
No, ngomlomo vela usoze bakumamele lokho ukuthi ukhulume ngomlomo ukuthi bambanani and stuff vela usoze kuhambela.
As long as they know the vision and the direction that I'm going. Because I'm the leader. You're a leader. So if I tell the first wife, no, his name 1, 2, 3 hours. That hours. And if the first wife doesn't know how to cook, and the second wife knows how to cook, she must also teach the first wife how to cook. Because it's not about who's better. But it's about the same vision that we are taking. You understand?
I think isithembo selayithi sikhulunywa umuntu okhulele kiso. Yes. Because isikhathi esiningi isithembo sithandwa umuntu ongakhulelanga kiso. Because awuyazi lento le. There are families now othola ukuthi umamkhulu uzele abantwana bebedonga, abapasi, abafundi. Abantwana abangomncane nabo
bayaphumelela.
Nabo bayaphumelela. What happens then?
Gcina umamkhulu ugcine sesiba lo mona labantwana bakamamncane.
As long as you are building a family, one united family.
Yeah.
If abantwana bakamamncane bahamba bayike, they also bakhulele family one. They know their brothers. They also going to take their brothers to UK.
You know what abantu abazalwa umama ofana balele sisene-1, they hate each other. Bakhona ukuzondana. Bezondane in a way ukuthi abakhulumisana.
Baze bayofa.
Think ukuthi wena uzohlanganisa.
Umntaka
nale bezozwana.
Ngeke.
Uyabahlanganisa.
Njani?
That's sometimes kwesinye isikhathi umuntu osefamilini kakusiza usizwa i-strange. Not always the family member okusizayo. Umna wakho can betray you, but i-stranger singakubetray.
Betray kanjani ngoba la ubetray umuntu one-interest kumuntu onayo. I-stranger ayisingibetray, isingibetray because
okay, let's say angithi sisesithenjini la.
Simple that.
Sisesithenjini kwesinye isikhathi uyakhona ukusizwa umntwana womfazi wesithuba owakho umnanga ngakusiza. So kusiya ngokuthi naturally yena umuntu okhona unjani. Ukhulu umama wakho umkhulisa ngayiphi indlela.
Ukuphumelela kwesithembu, in my opinion, I don't think it's based on other factors. Ukuphumelela kwesithembu noma ukubumbana komndeni osesithenjini, I think it's based more on the husband.
Yes.
Right. Does the husband take care of amakhaya wakhe noma ikhaya lakhe? It's one big household. It has nothing to do with umamkhulu, umamntontoni. Yes, because sinabantu sinobona, we later develop izinto ezinjalo ukuthi ubani sithatha ubani because of that. Oh, abantwana abangadoing well, we need to go back to doing well. If we're not and abantwana not doing well, and abantwana are doing well, you need to go back to doing well. Because there's no way to have a plan. I'm sorry for this way, but there's no way to have a plan. I would say anyone would have struggles when others are doing well in life. Unless in terms of there's multiple or anything that's involved. But generally, discussing this thing, because so they are from the same pace or the same pulse. And the song we are guided by the same guiding edge. So it must say as part of the same. So there's no way between we would want to be a share.
No, sometimes angithi lana umntwana it's like it's a union between indoda lana nosoma. Kwesinye isikhathi uthatha umama natural udomo.
Exactly.
Yabo. So yikho sokuphuma khona ukuthi abanye abantwana maybe bomfazi wesithuba baphumelele abakhabaphumelele. It's not because of ukuthi amalo, it's because maybe usesayidini lika mama not esayidini lendo. But people, they do not accept that.
Yes,
but actually, for example, Masfumbega is saying there's this show, The Goonies. Look at that. It's Tembolis, yeah? Which is in that. That man, even though, yes, we don't know what's happening behind the TV. So now they only show us what we want to see. What they want to show us in the But apart from intotinesis, that family, yonke into nje i-right. So actually it's on the man.
Yes.
Ukuthi like
and also,
Yeah.
I don't know if you're aware with the other polygamous men who famous
Yeah.
Yes. When you look at his wives and you look at Gumbi, we are all on famous and that's because Abagam said Gulani and Abagam was Abagam Bantai because Abagam is 2 and Umsele is 5. So obviously there's going to be a lot of fights because there's so many, we can also do that as well. But more big is it, as I'm saying, you can actually see it. What is it that is destroying his family? And when you look at Gumbi's actions, you can actually see what is it that is uniting his family. So that's why I say, ukuphumelela kwesithembu does not lie kungamkhulu, kungamncane, kuyingane. Ulo ophiwe lowo mbono ukuthi ngifuna la ekhaya uxhwale uyena usemandleni wakhe isikhathi bayaphumelela ngabakhulu.
But you know, there are some other men abathatha umfazi we-1 and be honest to that person. Not always indoda iyachita ngaphandle. There are some men aba-honest, abangajolile. So I wouldn't say it's in a man's instinct, like kusendodeni ukuthi ajole ngoba omunye umuntu wasokuthathile ukuthathile.
That's true. Do you know what it takes us back to the character. And it takes us back to single solution. Not that it's simple, And don't think it's because your man is faithful to you. He's deciding, he's taking a conscious decision every day to say, I will remain faithful to my wife. It's a decision that he is choosing to take here and work. Do you understand? I was at a mode to buy this and more, but we are going to that. Yeah, conscious. He is deciding no one is an ambushlet, an amarashlet, oxalayo,
Ngithanda umfazi wami.
to my wife. Do you understand?
Yeah.
But if that person would entertain or another would, give that,
Attention.
it's a choice to actually be faithful to Oscar.
That is why they say to be faithful emfazini wakho is a choice. Ukucheater is a decision.
And now you are contradicting what you just said because you said to me it's not always in that instinct. It's there in the instinct. They are just choosing not to.
That is why today we have so many meta cases talking about discipline fast because you might find that man was honest to that woman and saying, told himself, I'm gonna marry this woman, only this woman. And then that woman cheated. And then so fingers can't talk to you, printed in spam, double fast, double
Yini yenza umfazi waphuma ngaphandle? Akula muntu oyenza into for no reason. There's always a reason.
Especially women.
There is always a reason ngaphandle. Abafazi masibabona besmayila libahle begeza. Omunye umuntu imali akhageza ngayo. But you don't know what she's hiding inside. Yikho kuchoma mamncane like usisilana ukuthi no, yabazi ezomfazi kubalulekile ukuthi ufune ukuyimela. It's very important. Kuze indoda ingaphathisani.
Look, sometimes if a woman cheats, it's not about it is me, like man, sometimes it's about sex. You know that.
Yes.
Yeah.
A woman can cheat.
A woman cheats to correct something. A woman doesn't just cheat. Unlike me. Not just cheat for the sake of it. But when your woman cheats on you, there is something that he's trying to fix.
But you can't correct something
Then that means
with
you
wrong.
are
You can't correct wrong with wrong.
Kwesinye isikhathi uyabese bonke uya-too stubborn. Kodwa yabona that's why abantu bakutshela ukuthi okay ngiyakuphuza ngitheka le nto le awulaleli. Then abasokutshela ukuthi sizodibana emarket. Lapha ufuna ukufundisa isifundo sokuthi yabona into oyenzayo. Into lelo oyenzayo is not like I cannot do it. Because what a man can do, a woman can do better.
So, okay, if you can do that, now that do it, until husband and too many.
No, I'm so weak anything.
Okay, let me tell you something. If you cheat, this is me. Then warning you. If you are cheating, just know it's going to assign you death certificate. What you must do, if you want to move out from that house or you want to cheat, just tell your husband to go and go.
Yeah.
Manje bengafuni ukujoyela. Bengafuna ukufundisa like a lesson. Omunye umfazi ukuthi bengacheat.
No, angeke ufundise umuntu.
Can pretend to cheat but kungayisi ukuthi uyacheat.
Then you are out. Yaphuma endlini. Whether you like it or not, you are out.
Angeke uthi wena ufundisa umuntu ukuthi ngoba uyacheata nawe usuyacheata uhlala endlini yakhe.
So
awuhambelana.
Indoda right yona mayicheat.
No, vele indoda idaliwe. Yabona indoda idaliwe. Umfazi vele wena ungumfazi sokulihlazo. Ungumfazi usucheata uhlala endoda kulihlazo ebantwini. Even lakini emdenini kulihlazo. So into ekhona wena mawubona lo muntu vele awusakhona phuma kuye cheata ungaphandle. Vele ungacheata ukhona apho kulihlazo.
But some other women say cheat these days.
Iyabacheata vele.
Relationship trend amanje on TikTok yabo Lawrence but
Usibusiso Lawrence lo noNtobeko.
what causes that?
Nina, I don't think cheating necessarily would lead you to kill women.
Yeah.
I just think it takes you back to your background, just like how Samantha was saying. My name is that you say right now, I can't they do not kill their lives. I think this killing thing for real, it results from your background. You know, how much trauma you've suffered as a child, how much trauma you've suffered as an adult, how much trauma you've suffered in life generally can lead you to totally. It's not a matter of cheating, but I think I'm not
Same applies to cheating. Yabona yikho mawuraise umntwana. Make sure ukuthi umraise in a good way usazi ukuthi umuntu engimkhulisa la uzoba umfazi womuntu kusasa. Umuntu engigcina la uzoba indoda yomuntu kusasa. So you need to make sure ukuthi umntwana umgcina in a good background. Like I'm saying, before having kids, you need to make sure ukuthi la umuntu engimletha la kusasa ngifuna umuntu onjani ozophuma naye abe good umuntu ngoba nawe uhlezi la ufuna indoda yakhe good. So you need to make sure ukuthi umntana wakho na umraise in such a way ukuthi phambili akahlukumeze omunye ingane.
And you know what's very smart to me? Now you're making me realize most of the time those people who kill their girlfriends are people that grew up with mother and father. It's rare to find a boy who was raised by a single mother. Umuntu umuntu esifazane, ushaya umuntu esifazane, uyinyongo nje when it comes to esifazane. And that person was raised by a single mother. That person knows the importance of umuntu esifazane.
Yes.
Laba bosikhotheni ababulala abesifazane, they were raised by both parents.
You need to check in background. Ngoba kwesinye isikhathi unganaka uyabona umama nobaba, like let's say umama nobaba endlini. Mayo like kwesinye isikhathi yes ziba khona inkinga, but do not fight in front of the kids because that thing iyalimaza umntwana. So nama issues, go to your bedroom, talk them out, never fight in front of kids.
What I can say about single mothers, I think we are wrong. Single mothers, most of them, single mothers, they are doing drugs. Most of them, if you look at it, they are doing drugs by because of single. Because as a single mother, you can't raise alone. You need a father. You need a father figure to control. You can't control woman. To control.
You need a father figure, yes. So what can I and then what?
That's why they don't
at the end of the day we have to be yes. But if it's rare to Baba. I would just for Baba attend a power. Who has good for something that was in that time? Amanda Bazana can in the Amanda Bazan. And we find the second name. There was some boyfriend is over on that.
Okay, I have a say on that. Not all women. Abanye abafazi, we do watch TV lana. Abanye abafazi uyathekhulisa umntwana esindimali. Akamkhulisa ngendlela right. Uyangenisa namhlophe kusasa engenisa udoni. Umntwana la esezegcina sebona, umntwana wakho nasekhulile, ngoba sesiyayeni. Usebona ngazathi ukutshintshanisa amadoda ngikho right.
It's normal because
yikho ukuthi yabona indlela umntwana umkhulisa ngayo endlini. Yabona umntwana okhule ebona umama lo baba bengayi uzokwazi phambili ukuthi le ndoda yama kumele asilwe mase silomele seyulwela abantwana bengasibhekanga. Kumele umntwana mayekhule ebona ukuthi umama wakhe emhlonipha ubaba uzokwazi ukuhlonipha indoda. Engakhula ebona ukuthi ubabami wemhlonipha umamani. Mase seshodwa umuntu ongamhloniphiyo kuzoba nzima ngoba into akhule eyibona. Umntwana uyenza into akhule eyibona.
No. Ungakhula to a family right, you never fight. But when you turn out to raise your own family, it becomes difficult because of the person on the of. What if when you take to move and that person doesn't even visit you? You have disrespect. That causes fights.
Maluma, at what level is it? When did you see the disrespect?
That is time, because remember, you started dating with this person maybe 6 months ago. Say 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, or 1 year. It depends. It could be 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, even 10 years. But good relationship is that person and you get cooler, get joy. So never let you. That's how respect Jane to that, like the day comes.
Yeah, but let's just cut over the yellow with not to what no. That person also needs to be your friend. What if something happens to you, just because it says if you do it, sometimes I want to resign. Mama and before. You understand? I feel like the person
and your boss wants you, and you have a fight with your boss, and then the boss tells you, let us chase at 2 hours later. You know?
Communication.
So this will be the late.
Yeah.
Alright.
Sometimes.
Hayi lokhu mayengase sithi ayikho le chuthi vela kalithembani lina sidalwa lapha endlini. Because if ekuthemba ngeke azasho ukuthi ayikho.
Trust yes endlini when too much trust. If there's no trust endlini, then your kid is dead.
Yeah.
So it's trust.
And kubalulekile ukucommunicate lo muntu wakho. Uyazi mali ngacommunicate yonke into nje can just
iyenzakala nje.
Yaphela. Mali yabona make sure ukuthi like ne nxa namhle sazi ukuthi you always come home motel. But namhlanje so kube le situation yokuforce ukuthi like ubuye 2 hours after. Ungacommunicate nomuntu wakho. It is naye lokhu ufika endlini lapha sozakwathi kwesinye isikhathi lokhu ungasakhulumanga yikho songena khona i-trust. Umuntu okuvela umthembu yabusazi ukuthi there is a reason why he's late. So make sure ukuthi i-trust foundation ye-trust is strong enough because kwesinye isikhathi ama-relationship they break because i-trust yabo i-weak. Ibonda labo i-weak. Ibonda mele ibe strong.
Ma uzothi umfazi mina endlini angisesuza communicate naye communicate ne-girlfriend because umfazi senatshintshile. So uzotshela nayo girlfriend for how long uzofika la azotshintsha khona.
Uzotshintsha vele naye.
That means that means umfazi expiring date. That's what you're saying. That means that also expire fika la. So uzohamba uzofika kuphi? Uhamba uyatshintsha abafazi. And uma utshintsha labo abafazi uzala izingane. Into okumele ucabanga.
Udinga lo mkhuhlane.
Yakho impilo ucabanga ngalabo abantu abashiya emuva. So mina kwami into engicabanga ukuthi abafazi kule nto leyenzakala eKZN I don't know ukuthi yenzakala kuyo yonke indawo yokuthi abantu amatshitshi khona bayahlolwa bayafundiswa ukuhlonipha bayafundiswa into leyo because trust me if ungabona abantwana bamaZulu amantombazana you think ibazala umfazi ongwane banenhlonipho ungeke uzi-understand the way abakhuluma khona badala ngendlela. So why don't you do that to a boy child? Kube one level le nto yenzakala kumntwana ongumuntombazana yenzakala nasemfaneni kube khona kube yenzakala bakhulise. That means isikhulisa ination in one level because yonke into isengqondweni. It's the mind esukayo singathi i-background is the foundation. So asikhulisele abantwana ngokufana, umntwana ongumfana naye kube labantu abakhulisa abantwana bekwazi ukuthi umntwana lo kumele uthuthe njani umfazi.
That is why sometimes before ushada lo muntu, do not only marry the person you love, marry someone who's going to be a good father to your kids. Marry someone who's going to be a good mother to your kids, not only someone that you love. Because umuntu yakhona ukumthatha ungamthandi, umtshintshe wena ube yinto wena ofuna ukuthi abe yiyo. So not always marry someone you love. Marry someone who's going to be a good parent to your kids, so that those kids can also be good parents to their own kids, and that thing goes on. So I'll just say ukuthi kubalulekile ukuthi umntwana asoka mama ngokwethu sonke. That's why it's sonke endlini. So it's not only my duty, it's also a man's duty ukuthi abaparent sibakhulise ngendlela elungile kuze ngaphambili beyenze the same thing.
Yikho kubalulekile ukuthi umuntu ubaba lo mama behlala labantu ababo same endlini, ayikhona ukuthi omunye uzalwe ngaphandle lomunye uzalwe ngaphandle. Labana abangaphandle abaluthola uthando lukababa, izifundiso zikababa bazazi zika mama kuphela. So kubalulekile ukuthi
kwesinye isikhathi isimo sebe singavumi. Isimo sebe singavumi ukuthi umntwana wakhona abe lo mama no baba at the same ground. Yikho sokufika khona ukuthi that parent ogcina umntwana kabe ngumama kabe ngubaba. I need to wonder what to say about umntwana still responsibility. So you need to stand up for your responsibility.
I'm asking for a village. It takes a village to raise a kid. As for saying sonke, that's when it's okay. Nabo baba abakhulileyo abathatha laba bantwana abangabafana bebakhulise bebafundise bebayenze bebe ngamadoda ukuthi because manje ngeke sithi ubashale ubaba lo mama because akwenzakala at the end of time very soon sina soda sisingi because it's not working. Omunye usicabangela kwakhe, omunye usicabangela kwakhe. At the end of the day sonke sobasingi because it's understand. But if kunendawo la ukuthi umntana ngiyazi ukuthi namhlanje Saturday ngiyamthatha uPulo noThazela ngibasa lapha bayafundiswa ngabo baba. UTurent intombazana ngiyamthatha uyaphuma kumathithi bayamfundisa. Mayekhula bazomfundisa lento okumele ayifunde. Uzokhula abe ngumama, la uzokhula lo abe ngubaba. So into yokuzoba level. Because now ngeke sisikhalela ukuthi ubaba at the end of the day, mina ngiyazi ukuthi at the end of the day amadoda azohlala kodwa abafazi behlala bodwa.
Okay, balaleli ngizwele. Okay. Sinhle, what will you actually leave an advice into ongayisho about my relationships, gender based violence, into ongafuna ukuyishela abalaleli bethu?
Abalaleli into engabachiya yona nje ukuthi abantu bafunda ukuthembana into ezinjalo. Mabehlele ezindlini bathembane bafundisa abantwana imithetho ukuze kube labo baba bakusasa aba right labo mama bakusasa abalungileyo.
Okay, Mina, on my own side, I would just like to say to everyone, before you marry, make sure ukuthi umuntu omshadayo is going to be, you marry someone who's going to be a good parent emntwaneni wakho. Kuze ingane yakho ingagcina isihlukumeza abanye abantwana because nawe unje you don't want ukuhlukunyezwa. And nxa kunama foundations like osistana esitela ukuthi kubaleke ukuthi ingane ihambe kuma groups and what isiyafunda. That's also a good thing ukuthi ingane yakho ivumele ihambe isiyafunda. And another thing, umntwana akusoka mama ngowethu sonke. So kubalekile ukuthi as a family like in a relationship lithembane, communication and trust lokubambana kubalulekile. So just to say thank you so much for listening. See you again back next week. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you. Bye.